And wena motho wa moya, be careful on where and how you spend your money. I still repeat it from the same message, but this one is different when it comes to motho wa moya. The enemy is gonna try and send you to things that they know they will distract you to become the best version of yourself. Remember, you hold keys tsa dintho tse di right mo bophelong, and wena o na le kganya e kgolo to keep things and to also connect with things of the light. But now o hopole hore lenyelo la hao la tšhelete le require hore wena o be seemong se right when it comes to you being clean spiritually, orally and physically. You always need to be in a clean space. You always need to understand hore ntho enngwe le enngwe ya hao e hlonolofatswa ke lenyelo le itseng. Now, when you don't have a good relationship with money, tšhelete ya hao e tlo dula e sebediswa ke sere. And ntho e o e bona ka eng, even with dreams, they will come. You will see dreams of you being utswetswa dintho. You will see dreams of you ulahlehelwa ke dintho. Or sometimes you will see physically your things di lahleha, tšhelete ya hao e lahleha, dintho tse ding tsa hao di lahleha. Kanti the enemy has came. Sera sa hao se fitile. Why? Because of wena. You are not aware that every time you need to always protect your things. You need to always make sure that dintho tsa hao they are guided and protected. So now, you see lack on some of the things because of they are stealing from you as motho wa moya. You see yourself actually having money, but you don't see where your money goes because when motho wa moya ha o hlokomele hore when ha ba re ba utswetsa, not only are they utswing for you or not only are they robbing for you from the physical aspect, but spiritually they come and take your things. So it's very important to understand hore not only will they try to steal from you on the physical world, or not only will they try to be jealous over you on this physical world, but those things happen in the spiritual realm before they can manifest on the physical one. So be very careful on how you spend your money, and be very careful in places where you can spend your money. Always make sure that linyelo ila hao le a thaba pele, so that it can multiply for you, and so that it can also protect you from things that you don't see and not aware of or are aware of. And make sure that even when you do all of those things, when you spend your money, you do also keep track on how it also connects with you. There are certain things but they will require you to be careful. You make sure some of them they require also you to make sure that even when you're given that period of time to actually spend your money, so you don't make it a habit, because should you make it a habit, the enemy will attack. So as motho wa moya, understand how the lenyelo ila how communicates with you so that you can grow. Some of us manyelo ya rona a tšhelete a teng and a mangata a tšhelete ngata and so much abundance, but we are sitting on lack of understanding, lack of spiritual purity, and lack of spiritual understanding and connectivity, because everything ya rona of always trying to help people, it's not going to help you, because you are feeding something that eats up from you and then it leaves you with nothing. While but because when you always want to be the saving grace, you end up losing the opportunities, you end up losing the money that and then you end up asking yourself, why isn't my thing working out? It is because of you are feeding something that isn't for you, and that's why you need to be careful where you spend your money, with who do you spend your money with, and how do you spend your money. So motho wa moya ene le motho o tshepang matla a manyeloi a hae le modimo wa hae le tsela e modimo am abileng ka teng. Make sure that you are careful with each and every single thing that you do, especially with money. Money is there. We are blessed with abundance, and abundance will forever follow us. Because of why? Because of giving tshotse modimo a di abileng hore di be teng. But how those things and how you practice those things and how you respect and build a bond is how you will also get to see the movement and shifts that happen along the way. So please be careful, because sera se tla ka tsela tse ngata, and as se tla ka tsela tse ngata, you will ask yourself, or how did I end up here? Some of luna, you become so deceived, and you find yourself in gambling. For instance, maybe let's say you got into that gambling for once, and you hit such a great amount of money, and it came. Now, because of you don't understand, or sometimes lenyalo le fihle and ha le batle go gutela le tlisitse fela tlhonolofatso eo le tsamaya, and how you're going to use it, it will dictate where you're going. But when because of you end up being greedy, and now the spirit of darkness will try and attack you, you will go back and end up using the whole money that you were blessed with, and then nobody say fedile, and now I blew it. So be careful on what happens, and be careful of the cycles that you put yourself in, and make sure that your money is multiply your money through the right choices that you make. Make sure mutwamoya that you protect your money. Make sure mutwamoya that when you are set in a good space, that you know hore everything good follows you and your money is safe, because ke relationship is something we build between wena le modimo le manyolo a hao hore dintho tsa hao di kgone ho loka and everything how we kgone ho ba sharp. So from me to you as a mutwamoya, I've struggled, I've seen things happen, and I've lost so many things in trying to save others, in trying to save things, and trying to, and one of the things that you need to be careful of, stop this thing of always being shown things and then you do them. Stop this thing of always being shown rituals and then you're like, I have to do that. Stop this thing. Research about your spirituality, research about your guides and ancestors, research about this God's assignment over your life, so that uskawela into something that you know it's gonna just deteriorate you and lead you into something that's wrong, because you will use your money while wena uyemi, and then bona they get to be fed because of matla how. And then you ask about destiny swapping, which is something I'm going to talk about next time. But for now, make sure that you ask for the chelete how we bona guy, so that you connect with them and you're able to keep the blessings that they give you.